Hello mama and welcome. Breast pumps can be very helpful for mothers who want to store milk or continue breastfeeding while away from their baby. Here are several useful tips that can make pumping easier and more comfortable. First, always choose a quiet and comfortable place when pumping. A calm environment can help your body release milk more easily. Before pumping, try applying a warm compress to your breast for about 1 minute. Warmth helps encourage milk flow. Next, gently massage your breast to stimulate the milk ducts. When placing the pump flange on your breast, make sure the nipple is centered and the flange fits comfortably. Start pumping slowly. Gentle squeezes at the beginning help stimulate the milk let-down reflex. Once milk begins to flow, maintain a steady and comfortable pumping rhythm. If milk flow slows down, you can pause for a moment and gently massage your breast again. Remember to stay hydrated during the day and drink enough water. Finally, store your pumped milk in clean containers and label the date before refrigeration or freezing. These simple tips can make pumping sessions smoother and more productive for many nursing mothers. Breastfeeding is a journey, and every mother learns what works best for her and her baby.